Hello everyone, hope you are doing well and safe. I am your grammar teacher. Today we are going to do grade 5 grammar chapter number 11 numbers. This video will help you to learn introduction of numbers, definitions of singular and plural and rules of numbers. So what are numbers? There are two types of number. They are singular number and plural number. Introduction of the numbers. Introduction of the numbers noun. Apple. Apple is singular. Apples are plural. Because here is one apple, so it is singular. And here it is more than one apple, so it is plural. The English nouns are inflected. Inflected means loudness of the voice. For the grammatical numbers, meaning that if they are of the countable type, they are generally have different forms of singular and plural. Now here comes the definition of singular and plural. What is singular and what is plural? Singular, here is a one bird. So bird. Here is one mango. So we have put a mango. Now if it is in the plural form, here the singular form is bird. Here the plural form is birds. We have add s to it. Now here mango. So one mango is there. Here is more than one mango. So it is mangoes. Now singular. What is the definition of singular? A noun which stands for only one person or thing is said to be the singular number. Plural. A noun which stands for more than one person or thing is said to be a plural. Here comes the plural noun rules. So here are some rules you have to follow that. First is add s to the form, the plural of most noun. Now let us see the example here. Girl, girls. Apple, apples. Here is a single girl. So to make it plural, you have to use s. Apple. It is one apple. To make it more than one, what you have to use? S. Apples. Now rule number 2 is add es to the noun that ends in ch, sh, s, x or z. Let us see some example here. Bench, benches. Dish, dishes. Bus, buses. Box, boxes. Queues, queues. Now what is there? Benches. So it is ch is there. To make it plural, you have to use es. Dish, you have to use es to make it plural. S, so you have to s es. Box, the end of the spelling there is x. To make it plural, what you have to do? You have to add es. Quiz, quizzes. So if the word ends with ch, sh, s, x, and z, then what you have to add es to make it plural. So rule number 3. For nouns that end in y with a consonant before the y, change the y to I and add es. Now let us see some example here. Candy, candies. Puppy, puppies. So it ends with y. So here both these words are consonant. D and Y both are consonant. So to make it plural, what you have to use? Instead of Y, you have to use IES. You have to remove this Y and you have to add IES to make it plural. Same goes with puppies. Here Y. You have to remove this Y. To make it plural, what you have to use? IES. So candy, candies. Plural, puppy, puppies. Now, here rule number 4. For nouns that ends with Y with a vowel before Y, just add S. Now here are the we have learned consonants, but here you have to learn vowels. So if the sound is vowel, here the D is consonant here. Here the O is vowel. So you don't remove this Y, you have to add only S. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. Rule number 5. For nouns that end in F or FE, drop the F or FE and add S. Let us see the example here. Loaf, loaves. Here loaf, L-O-A-F, loaf means one loaf. To make it plural, you have to remove this F and you have to add ES. Loaves. Loaves. Now same here, knife, knives. So you have to remove this FE and you have to add VES. Now rule number 6 is for nouns that end with a consonant before an O and add ES. So examples are potato, potatoes. Here PATATO, potato. So O is a vowel and T is a consonant. So to make it plural, you have to add ES. Now same goes with tomato. So O is a vowel and T is a consonant. So to make it plural, what you have to add? You have to add yes. Now rule number 7. Some nouns changes spelling of singular nouns. Now let us see the example. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Rule number 8. Some nouns use the same singular and plural form. Let us see the example. Fish, fish. Deer, deer. So, in the singular form also fish and deer, and in the plural form also fish and deer. Let us see one exercise here. Retype each word and add s and es to show more than one. Now, I have 6. The given word is car. So how many cars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is more than one car. So what you will write here? C-A-R-S, cars. Now next is the dash are in the sink. What are in the sink? They are dish. So many dishes are there and dish is only one. So to make it plural, what we will use? D-I-S-H-E-S. So it will make it plural. Zaira has 2 dash. So in the word is given is doll. How many dolls are there? 2 dolls are there. So what we will use? D-O-L-L-S, dolls. To make it plural, we have to use S. She ate 2 dash. What she ate? 2 sandwiches. So here the word given is sandwich. So what to make it plural, what we will do? We will use es. So sandwiches, S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H-E-S, sandwiches. Now Mayank has 6 dash. What it has? So many pencils are there. So to make it plural, what you will use? Pencils, P-E-N-C-I-L-S. I see dash. How many crosses are there? 3 cross. To make it plural, what you have to use? Es. C-R-O-S-S-E-S. So here comes the end of the lecture. Following instructions you have to follow. You have to write exercise in your notebook from the PDF. You have to take the picture of your work and send it to this email address.